வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது பிஜி டிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்காக 100 மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ் ரிவிஷன் டெஸ்ட்டு 3. இந்த வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் எப்போ 1 hour ஃப்ரீ டைம் கிடைக்குதோ அப்போது இந்த வீடியோவை பாருங்கள். இதில் 100 மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷின் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். அதை கையில் பேப்பர் பேனாவை ரெடியாக எடுத்து வச்சுக்கிட்டு ஒவ்வொரு கொஷினுக்கும் ஆன்சரை நோட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வாங்க. டீட்டெயில்ஸு நோட் பண்ண வேண்டாம். கொஷின் நம்பரும் ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷனோட இதுவும் 1 டின்னாக்க டி, 2 சின்னா சி, அந்த மாதிரி ஆப்ஷனை பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வாங்க. லாஸ்ட்டு பேஜில் இதோட ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டு கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அதை நீங்கள் கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. எவ்வளவு கரெக்டாக எழுதியிருக்கோங்கிறத பாருங்கள். ஓகே, இப்போது வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், which one of the following audit is called as vouch and post audit? A. Statutory audit. B. Continuous audit. C. Periodical audit. D. Management audit. Second question, which ratio does capital gearing indicate? A. Between equity capital and rights issue. B. Between equity capital and debentures. C. Between equity capital and fixed interest securities. D. Between equity capital and preference capital. Third, a fire in factory delaying production for 3 weeks is known as A. Secular trend. B. Seasonal variations. C. Cyclical variations. D. Irregular variations. Fourth one, cash from operation is equal to A. Net profit plus increase in outstanding expenses. B. Net profit plus increase in stock. C. Net profit plus increase in debtors. D. Net profit plus increase in bills receivable. Fifth one, net profit earned plus non-working capital expenses is equal to A. Fund provided by operation. B. Use of funds. C. Sinking fund. D. Source of fund. Sixth one, the auditor is liable for A. Errors in preparing the final accounts. B. Not attending the meeting of board of directors. C. Failing to attend equity shareholders meeting. D. Failing to prepare minutes. Seventh one. Dividing the net assets available for the equity shareholder for the number of equity shares is called as A. Net worth basis, B. Intrinsic value of shares, C. Net payment method, D. Lump sum payment. Eighth one. Which one of the following is an intangible asset? A. Furniture, B. Patent right, C. Investment in shares, D. Loose tools. Ninth one. The scheme of SDR accepted by IMF and World Bank came into force in the year dash. A. 1960, B. 1970, C. 1980, D. 1990. Tenth. Appointment of auditors are made by the management in A. Internal audit, B. Statutory audit, C. Complete audit, D. Periodical audit. 11th one. A loan payable in a longer period with lesser rate of interest is named as A. Clean loan, B. Soft loan, C. Secured loan, D. Term loan. Twelve. When goods are taken by the proprietor at cost price for his own use, the account to be credited is A. Drawings account, B. Bank account, C. Sales account, D. Purchase account. 13. Which one of the following salesman is not to contact consumers directly? A. Missionary salesman, B. Service salesman, C. Specialty salesman, D. Retailer's salesman. 14. Government securities and other first class papers are A. Corporate securities, B. Gilt-edged securities, C. Collateral securities, D. None of these. 15. If the borrower fails to pay, the creditor will take possession of the movable goods, which is called A. Pledge, B. Mortgage, C. Hypothecation, D. Assignment. 16. The lessor bearing the risk of obsolescence and incidental risk is called A. Financial lease, B. Operating lease. 17. Offshore banking becomes much more easy by A. Unit banking, B. Branch banking, C. E-banking, D. None of these. 18. The difference between sales and variable cost is A. Margin of safety, B. Break-even point, C. Contribution, D. Marginal cost. 19. Verification of the authority and authenticity of a transaction are as recorded in the books of account is known as A. Confirmation, B. Vouching, C. Testing, D. Examination. 20. The excess of actual sales over break-even sales is termed as A. Contribution, B. Margin of safety, C. Fixed cost, D. Variable cost. 21. Prepaid expenses are the expenses which actually relates to A. Current financial year, B. Next financial year, C. Previous financial year, D. None of these. 22nd. Unabsorbed depreciation can be carried forward for set of A. For a period of 4 years only, B. For a period of 8 years only, C. For a period of 10 years only, D. For an unlimited number of years. 23rd. Sales budget is A. Master budget, B. Functional budget, C. Expenditure budget, D. None of these. 24. Perquisite and allowances paid to government employees posted abroad are A. Fully taxable, B. fully exempted. C. Taxable up to 10% of employee's salary. D. Taxable up to 20% of employee's salary. 25. Which one of the following is most important for finding the long-term solvency of a firm? A. Debt equity ratio. B. Stock turnover ratio. C. Premium on investment. D. Fixed asset turnover ratio. 26. Which of the following is non-current asset? A. Debtors. B. Prepaid insurance. C. Land. D. Stock. 27. Part of the issued capital taken up by the public is called A. Called up capital. B. Paid up capital. C. Nominal capital. D. Subscribed capital. 28. In Indian Companies Act, rights issue of shares is dealt by A. Section 81. B. Section 91. C. Section 88. D. Section 106. 29. Which of the following is non-current asset? A. Debtors. B. Prepaid insurance. C. Land. D. Stock. 30. Part of the issued capital taken up by the public is called A. Called up capital. B. Paid up capital. C. Nominal capital. D. Subscribed capital. 31. In Indian Companies Act, rights issue of shares is dealt by A. Section 81. B. Section 91. C. Section 88. D. Section 106. 32. The organization mobilizes savings of small investors and channelizes them into corporate investment is called as A. LIC. B. ICICI. C. UTI. D. IFCI. 33. The Development Bank started rehabilitate the sick and closed industrial unities. A. Unit Trust of India. B. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. C. Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India. D. Industrial Financial Corporation of India. 34. Which of the following committees examined and suggested financial reforms? A. Chellaiah Committee. B. Abid Hussain Committee. C. Narasimhan Committee. D. Bhagavati Committee. 35. Rate of tax for long-term capital gain is A. 10%, B. 20%, C. 30%, D. 40%. 36. Continuous and systematic process of examining and reporting the operations and record of a concern by its employee selected for this purpose is called A. Government audit, B. Performance audit, C. Internal audit, D. Occasional audit. 37. Which of the following items is not an operating expense? A. Office expenses, B. Interest paid, C. Selling overhead, D. Postage. 38. Net worth of business means A. Equity capital, B. Total assets, C. Total assets minus total liabilities, D. Fixed assets minus current liabilities. 39. Low price is fixed for the product under A. Penetration pricing, B. Skim and cream pricing, C. Follow the leader pricing, D. Oligopolistic pricing. 40. In company meeting, proxy can A. Speak and vote, B. Vote only, C. Attend and vote, D. Speak only. 41. Notice of any resolution passed at a creditors meeting shall be given by the company to the registrar within A. 10 days of the passing thereof, B. 7 days of the passing thereof, C. 30 days of the passing thereof, D. 15 days of the passing thereof. 42. No instrument of transfer of shares is necessary in the case of A. Transfer of shares to legal heirs. B. Transmission of shares. C. Surrender of shares. D. None of these. 43rd. Stock turnover ratio is A. Liquidity ratio. B. Activity ratio. C. Profitability ratio. D. Solvency ratio. 44. The first meeting of the shareholders of a public limited company is A. Class meetings of the shareholders. B. Statutory meeting. C. Annual general meeting. D. Extraordinary general meeting. 45. The apex institution in industrial finance is A. IDBI. B. IFCI. C. ICICI. D. LIC. 46. The earlier name of WTO was A. OECD. B. GATT. C. UNCTAD. D. UNDO. 47. The principle of treating business as distinct from its owner is known as A. Business entity concept. B. The concept of consistency. C. The concept of conservation. D. Dual aspect concept. 48. In what pricing method the last unit is taken as base for pricing? A. Cost plus pricing method. B. Rate of return pricing method. C. Break-even pricing method. D. Marginal cost pricing method. 49. Industrial Finance Corporation of India was established in the year A. 1964. B. 1955. C. 1948. D. 1956. 50. Horizontal analysis is known as A. Structural analysis. B. Static analysis. C. Dynamic analysis. D. Break-even analysis. 51. Long-term solvency is indicated by A. Rate of return. B. Liquid ratio. C. Debt equity ratio. D. Capital gearing ratio. 52. If the quorum is not provided in the Articles of Association, what is the minimum number of members to be present in the case of a public company meeting of shareholders? A. 2 members. B. 3 members. C. 5 members. D. 10 members. (53) No company started after 1956 can never issue A. Bonus shares. B. Shares at discount. C. Equity shares. D. Deferred shares. 54. A factory is manufacturing one uniform type of product. Which method of absorbing factory overheads would you suggest? A. Percentage of direct wages. B. Machine hour rate. C. Direct labor hour rate. D. Rate per unit of output. (55) A bill of lading is A. A negotiable instrument. B. Quasi-negotiable instrument. C. A non-negotiable instrument. D. Non-transferable instrument. (56) Administration overheads are covered as a percentage of A. Direct materials. B. Direct wages. C. Prime cost. D. Works cost. 57. A floating charge means A. A charge of the asset of a company which is being floated. B. A charge on the shares of a company. C. A charge on the current asset of the company which are constantly changing. D. None of these. 58. In contract account, the cash received on the contract is credited to A. Work in progress account, B. Contractor's account, C. Contractee's account, D. None of these. #59. The International Monetary Fund is A. An institution designed to increase the international flow of long-term capital. B. An institution designed to ease the balance of payment problems among the countries of Europe. C. An institution that provides short-term loans to the central authorities trying to maintain fixed exchange rate. D. An organization for reducing the level of world tariffs by a process of bilateral bargaining. 60. Job costing is suitable for A. Mass producing concern, B. All concerns, C. Service concerns, D. Specific order concern. 61. SDR is A. A kind of soft loan created by the IMF, B. A type of overdraft at IMF, C. A form of international reserve issued by the IMF, D. A negotiable instrument of the SBI. 62. Fixed cost per unit increases when A. Production volume decreases, B. Production volume increases, C. Variable cost per unit decreases, D. Sales decreases. 63. Funding high technology, high risk and high reward projects are termed as A. Long-term capital, B. Seed capital, C. Venture capital, D. Short-term capital. 64. The degree of completion of the work is determined by the comparing the work certified with A. Work in progress, B. Contract price, C. Work uncertified, D. Cash received from the contract. 65. The party who obtains the equipment for use under leasing agreement is called A. Leaser, B. Buyer, C. Seller, D. Leasee. 66. Which of the following is not a source of fund? A. Purchase of machinery, B. Profit earned during the year, C. Issue of share capital, D. Long-term loan raised. 67. Banks lend against life insurance policy on the basis of A. The insured amount stated in the policy, B. Current surrender value of the policy, C. Bonus added to the policy, D. Premium paid by the policy holder. 68. The ordinary shares of first class industrial companies are described as A. Green chip, B. White chip, C. Red chip, D. Blue chip. 69. Dividing the assets available for the equity shareholders for the number of equity shares is called as A. Net worth basis, B. Intrinsic value of share, C. Net payment method, D. Lump sum payment. 70. Which one of the following is an intangible asset? A. Furniture, B. Patent right, C. Loose tools, D. Investment in shares. 71. Rights issue refers to the shares issued to A. Employees, B. Public, C. Existing directors, D. Existing shareholders. 72. WTO was established in A. January 1995, B. February 1992, C. January 1948, D. March 1973. 73. The auditor is liable for A. Errors in preparing the final accounts. B. Not attending the meeting of the board of directors. C. Failing to attend equity shareholders meeting. D. Failing to prepare minutes. 74. Dividend can be paid out of A. Share premium account. B. Capital redemption reserve account. C. Current year profits. D. Capital. '75. An internal audit is most suitable where A. There is no urgency to finalize the accounts on a particular date. B. There is an urgency to finalize the accounts on a particular date. C. System of internal check in operation is not satisfactory. D. There are more transactions and complication. '76. What ratio does capital gearing indicate? A. Between equity capital and rights issues. B. Between equity capital and debentures. C. Between equity capital and fixed interest securities. D. Between equity capital and preference capital. '77. The important objective of marginal costing are A. Pricing policy. B. Profit planning. C. Cost control. D. All of these. '78. A flexible budget is A. Budget for different capacity levels. B. Budget for different departments. C. Budget for average investment. D. None of these. '79. The term management accounting was first used in A. 1910, B. 1939, C. 1950, D. 1956. 80. The facility of credit card enjoyed by the agriculturist are called A. Debit card, B. Green card, C. Smart card, D. Gold card. 81. Section 15 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 deals with A. Bill of exchange, B. Promissory note, C. Check, D. Endorsement. 82. Which of the following is not a fully taxable allowance? A. Dearness allowance, B. City compensatory allowance, C. House rent allowance, D. Fixed medical allowance. 83. In e-banking, PIN stands for A. Personal information system, B. Private index number, C. Personal identification number, D. Personal information numeric. 84. UTI set up in the year A. 1956, B. 1964, C. 1951, D. 1971. 85. External auditor should possess the qualification under which section of the Companies Act 1956? A. Section 228, B. Section 224, C. Section 226, D. Section 222. 86. Interim audit is conducted A. To issue of shares, B. To issue of debentures, C. To declare dividend, D. To reconstruct the company. 87. Identify the person who is not liable to pay wealth tax from the following: A. Cooperative society, B. Political party, C. Reserve Bank of India, D. All of the above not liable. 88. The Wealth Tax Act of India came into force on A. 1st April 1957, B. 1st April 1967, C. 1st April 1977, D. 1st April 1987. 89. Checking a few transactions selected at random from a large number of transactions by an auditor is known as A. Routine checking, B. Internal checking, C. Test checking, D. Continuous checking. 90. Which of the following is treated as capital expenditure? A. Depreciation to fixed asset, B. Repairs made to fixed assets, C. Modernization to fixed assets, D. Loss on sale of fixed assets. 91. Which of the following is known as fictitious assets? A. Goodwill, B. Patent right, C. Copyright, D. Preliminary expenses. 92. The capital with which the company is registered is called A. Subscribed capital, B. Called up capital, C. Authorized capital, D. Working capital. 93. Who is not empowered to present petition for winding up by the court? A. Registrar, B. Shareholder, C. Creditor, D. Competitor. 94. A private company is deemed to be a public company under Section 43A of the Companies Act when its annual turnover is A. 10 crores, B. 20 crores, C. 25 crores, D 30 crores. 95. Which of the following is not a characteristics of a public company? A. Separate legal entity. B. Unlimited liability. C. Perpetual succession. D. Common seal. '96. A public company having a share capital can start its business on obtaining A. Approval of High Court. B. Approval of Company Law Board. C. Certificate of commencement. D. Certificate of incorporation. '97. Table A of the Companies Act is A model of minute book. B. Model form of balance sheet. C. Model of articles of association. D. Model of memorandum of association. '98. Rupees 423 is written as rupees 324. The error is called A. Error of omission. B. Error of commission. C. Error of principal. D. Error of compensation. 99. A loan payable in a longer period with lesser rate of interest is named as A. Clean loan. B. Soft loan. C. Secured loan. D. Term loan. 100. When goods are taken by the proprietor at cost price for his own use, the account to be credited is A. Drawings account. B. Bank account. C. Sales account. D. Purchase account. இப்போது உங்கள் கையில் இருக்கிற ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டை கையில் வச்சுக்கிட்டு இப்போ நாம் போட்டிருக்கோம் ஆன்சர், அதோட கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 1க்கு வந்து ஏ ஆன்சர் கரெக்டு, 2க்கு வந்து சி ஆன்சர் கரெக்டு. இந்த மாதிரி டிக் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வாங்க. கடைசியாக டோட்டல் பண்ணி பாருங்கள், எவ்வளோ மார்க் வருதுன்னு பாருங்கள் அவுட் ஆஃப் 100. அதை மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. உங்களோட மார்க் எவ்வளோன்னு. அப்போ தான் உங்களோட பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குது அப்படின்னு எவாலுவேட் பண்ண முடியும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இந்த வீடியோவை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஒரு 5-6 கொஸ்டின் ரிப்பீட்டாக வந்திருக்கு. இதை அடுத்த வீடியோவில் கொஞ்சம் கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஒரு கொஸ்டினில் 2 ஆப்ஷன் தான் வந்திருக்கு. அந்த மிஸ்டேக்கையும் அடுத்த வீடியோவிலேருந்து கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்யூ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும் நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன், தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.